Hello mga ka-printer! Kunting reviews muna tayo sa Epson L4160. 3-in-1 functionality. It can print, scan, and copy. Ang ink naman ginagamit nito ay 001. Ang kaibahan ng 001 sa 003 ay pigment ink-based yung black at ang colored naman ay dye ink. Pwede itong mag-print hanggang 7,500 pages sa black and up to 6,000 pages sa color. And of course, it has Wi-Fi so you can print wirelessly from your phone or laptop. Meron din itong mobile and cloud printing. Ibig sabihin, pwede itong mag-print remotely. Pwede sa Apple AirPrint at Google Cloud Print. Ang kagandahan din nito ay may automatic duplex printing. Ibig sabihin, pwede tayong mag-print ng back-to-back na hindi na natin i-manual. Yes, automatic na siya mag-print back-to-back. At pwede din ito for borderless printing up to A4 size. Kaso sa scanning naman at photocopy, hanggang A4 lang talaga siya, hindi kaya sa long. Meron itong LCD screen for PC-less operation of copy-scan functions. At sa huli, meron itong memory card slot. Has a built-in card slot, supports SD cards, adapters may be required for direct printing of photos without a PC. Follow for more. Maraming salamat!